Hi, we're Hike, and my name is Akshat. So, a major problem in the current transportation industry is the impact of transportation on economic mobility. Each car costs a household about $6,202 per year, and expanding public transportation could save households $300 million by 2040 because of logistics improvements. Barriers to transportation access in rural and low income areas include 5.8 million people are being underserved because of delayed medical care, and 4.7% of those are unemployed because they can't work because of those transit problems, and about $1,431 per person managing chronic conditions. And sustainable transportation solutions for rural areas. About 37% of rural residents own their own vehicle, and over 30% rely on outdated public transportations. Carpooling can save each person in a rural community about 20 to 50%, and reduce vehicle wear.
So the solution we came up for with this problem is our app Hike, which is a free ride share app for people designed for low income and rural areas. And we've decided that our drivers will be paid based on ad revenue shown at the bottom of the homepage and every time someone calls a ride. And this is just a more formal version of ride sharing, so you don't have to rely on a family member or a friend to get you where you need to go.
So I'm Pratik, and how our app works is that it was made in Android Studio, so it's an Android app, and we use an API called a location manager to get the latitude and longitude of the user, and then we calculate the distance between a driver and the user to see which one's the closest that the user would use. And then we use geocode to translate that, the latitude and longitude, into an address. And then for the database, we use the relational database of SQLite for storing like the username and password for registration of an account.